Hi guys, it's your last day of your 8 weeks wedding challenge and I'm really excited because I can see the difference in myself and I'm getting married in 2 weeks, so I'm excited. I hope you can see the difference in your body. If you've done the session, you should. C'est la dernière semaine des 8 semaines du challenge pour le mariage. Moi, je vois la différence dans mon corps. Je me marie dans 2 semaines, donc c'est génial, mais j'espère que vous voyez également la différence. Aujourd'hui, j'ai décidé de faire une classe un peu plus avancée, donc beaucoup plus difficile. Alors par contre, on fait comme on veut, on prend des options qui sont plus faciles et on va rester dans le Pilates classique. So I'm going to give you an advanced class. You have to do whatever is best for you and for your body, as usual. And it is going to be an advanced classical Pilates mat exercise. Are we ready? Okay, let's do it. So, we are going to start sitting. Let me readjust my shorts. We're going to lengthen the spine. On étire la colonne vertébrale. J'ai les pieds au sol. Et je vais redescendre tout doucement. I'm just warming up my spine right now. And then come back up. And reach down again, very slowly. Et on remonte. Je redescends tout doucement. En fait, on réveille le bas du dos, les lombaires. And one more. And at home, remember, you do it to your level. And that is very important. À la maison, comme j'ai dit tout à l'heure, si c'est trop difficile, on prend l'option plus facile. Okay, now my hands are going to be just above. My elbows are slightly bent and I make sure my hands are at the same level as my shoulders. Je garde les coudes légèrement pliés et je garde les mains au même niveau que les épaules. Et je vais redescendre. Et je monte les bras. Le dos bien droit. So I'm doing the same. I'm going to go down, tuck under here. And then come up, lengthen your spine, lengthen your spine. And then reach down again. Now at home, if this is becoming too difficult, you can even have a ball behind your back. Si en fait à la maison vous trouvez que ça devient de plus en plus difficile et que vous ne pouvez pas faire l'exercice, vous pouvez mettre le ballon derrière le dos, surtout si vous avez des problèmes de dos. If you've got problem in your back. Now we're going to add the circle. Big circle here. And I'm going to reach over. Maintenant je remonte, je fais un bon cercle en arrière. Et je vais ramener les mains devant. And lift, circle. And forward. Now stay, on reste là, on va redescendre. On fait exactement la même chose maintenant. On remonte les bras et on va faire un cercle. On va revenir. J'étire le bas du dos, je remonte et je refais un cercle. Okay, in English now, I'm going to reach down first. Keep the ribs down. Circle, stay here. Keep the ribs down. On garde les côtes en bas. Je fais un cercle, je remonte, I'm coming back here, curling over. Then coming up, circle. And reach back again. Tuck under the pelvis. And reach up. Now I'm keeping that same position here. Coming back over my legs. And up. Circle. Je repars en arrière. On n'a pas besoin d'aller vite. Hein. Je repars en arrière, je contracte les abdos, je garde les côtes en bas, je vais un peu plus en arrière, si je peux seulement. Je remonte les bras, je fais des cercles, je remonte, donc je dirige la tête vers les genoux. Je remonte la colonne vertébrale bien droite et encore des cercles, donc les bras en arrière. And reach down as much as I can hold, really, just about here. Circle. And come back, take your time. Head's going towards your knees first, and then come back up. And circle. Now, stay here. On reste là. Des cercles. On en fait deux. I'm going to have two of them. And then reach back. Stay here. Lengthening your spine, opening your arms. On ouvre les bras sur le côté et je ramène le bras. J'ouvre. My elbows are slightly bent. This way it does not go into my neck. Mes coudes sont légèrement pliés, comme ça ne va pas au niveau de la nuque. And then reach down. Tuck under the pelvis. On ouvre. Et on ramène. On ouvre légèrement. Et on ramène. Là, on travaille vraiment les abdominaux profonds. On ouvre. Et on ramène. On ouvre. Et on ramène. On ramène complètement. Okay. Now, next, we're going to go for the bridge. Allez. Les pieds ensemble. Both of your feet together. I'm going to reach back, back, back. And keep your heels closer to your bum on this one. Now, from here, you're going to lengthen your spine. Press your hands on the floor. Press your feet. Number one, the position of your feet. Press. Tuck under the pelvis, reaching up into your bridge. Lift your bum up. You want to imagine you've got a belt around your waist, lifting you up. So from your knees to your shoulders, one long line. Then I'm going to reach down one vertebra at a time. Keep your knees together if you can. And unroll your spine. Press into the feet. On appuie très très fort au niveau des pieds. On va remonter tout doucement le bassin pour commencer. On va imaginer qu'on a comme une ceinture autour de la taille qui nous fait monter. Donc on veut une ligne droite des genoux jusqu'aux épaules. Et on redescend vertèbre par vertèbre, tout doucement. On étire la colonne vertébrale. Et on rappuie sur les pieds pour refaire exactement la même chose. On remonte. I'm pressing down into my feet to do exactly the same, lifting up. And then reach back down very slowly. I'm still pressing in my hands as well, yes. On appuie au niveau des mains également. Mais les pieds, ce sont les plus importants. On appuie vraiment très très fort au niveau des pieds. Et on remonte. And I find usually that's the problem. We don't start with the feet, and feet are very important in that exercise. By the way, your feet are the foundation of everything, really. So you always need to make sure you're starting from there. Then stay here. Maintenant, on va rester. Je vais monter un genou et je vais descendre. Et je monte et je descends. Je garde les fessiers en haut. I'm keeping my hips high, my bum high. And when I'm coming down like if I'm landing my foot on marshmallow. Donc quand je redescends, je vais imaginer que j'appuie ou que je pose mon pied sur des chamallows, donc tout doucement. Il n'y a pas de mouvement au niveau des hanches. There is no movement on my hips. Well, I'm trying not to. Now, if this is too much on your back, you don't do single leg. Si ça vous fait mal au niveau du dos, on ne fait pas juste avec une jambe. On garde les deux pieds par terre. And come back down. Very slowly. Good, unrolling your spine. Bring your knees to your chest. On va ramener les genoux au niveau de la poitrine. Et on va faire des petits cercles. And I'm going to make little circles now to release any tension on your back. Si vous avez des problèmes de dos, celui-ci c'est bien. C'est comme si on faisait un petit massage. De l'autre côté, other side. Good. Now, keep your feet high, tabletop, but with my feet slightly higher. Arms to the side. Keep the ribs down. And I'm going to reach to the side and come back to center. Pull your tummy. Je vais de l'autre côté, je garde les genoux ensemble. Oui, j'ai une fesse qui se lève. One hip's lifting up. And then come back. On inspire. On expire. So when you're coming back, it's actually your abdominals bringing back your legs. You're working on your obliques here. You're giving yourself a nice stretch as well on your lower back. C'est un bon étirement au niveau du bas du dos, mais on y va tout doucement. Et quand on ramène les jambes, c'est vraiment les obliques, les abdominaux qui travaillent. Now, stay here, extend the legs when you're on the side and come back. On va plier les genoux. Je vais sur le côté. J'étire les jambes. Je les ramène au centre. Je plie les genoux et je vais de l'autre côté. Je fais exactement la même chose. Now, side, extend your legs. Bring the legs back to center. Bend the knees. Go to the side. We do the same on the other side. Extend the legs. Bring them back to center. Bend the knees. We go to the other side. Reach to the side. Extend the legs. Bring back to center. Now we're going to make little circles with the legs extended. On fait des tout petits cercles avec les jambes étirées au plafond, si vous êtes dehors au ciel, et de l'autre côté. On inspire, on expire. Maintenant, je vais descendre les jambes sur le côté, je les ramène et je vais de l'autre côté. So now I'm keeping my legs extended and I'm going to the side, then come back, then to the other side, then come back, then to the other side. Small movement doesn't have to be big at all. On garde le mouvement tout petit et on ramène. Good. Stay here, legs down on the floor. Perfect. Hands back and lift up into your bridge. Et maintenant, on revient avec le bridge et on redescend tout doucement. Le pont, j'imagine, ça s'appelle. Et on remonte. Et on redescend. Et on remonte. On appuie au niveau des pieds et on redescend. Good. Next one, you can open your legs slightly. On peut ouvrir les pieds légèrement. Je vais mettre les mains derrière la tête. Now I'm going to place my hands behind my head. Stay here, neutral position. Remember neutral position? It's when from the hips to your pubic bone, drawing a triangle, you want that triangle to be parallel to the ceiling and the floor. On va en position neutre. Donc on veut au niveau du bassin et du périnée, que ça forme un triangle et que ce triangle soit parallèle au ciel, en haut et en bas. Donc en fait, je suis courbée, j'ai un creux en dessous du dos, c'est normal, c'est la position neutre. I've got a curves in my back and it's normal, it's your neutral position. So you stay here, you're not going higher than that. If you start going higher, look what's happening, I'm pressing down. That's not what I want. So I'm staying here, good, stay, and then reach back down. It's your head float in Pilates, it's your fundamental. And come back, so I'm sliding my ribs down to my pelvis, but you do not do that, and that's what I see most of the time. On reste en position neutre, on n'a pas besoin de mettre le dos par terre, et ça c'est ce que je vois en général. 1-1. On veut travailler les abdominaux profonds. We're working on your deep abdominal muscle, and if you start tucking under, we're losing them. And reach back. On va monter. Les coudes sur le côté. Hein? Elbows to the side, they're not here. They're to the side here. And reach. And again. On inspire. On expire quand on remonte. Inhaling as you go down. Exhaling as you come back. Stay here. On reste là. Je suis toujours en position neutre. Je vais étirer la jambe et je vais la ramener. Je fais la même chose de l'autre côté. I'm extending the leg and then I'm bringing it back. Can you see I'm still in neutral position? Extend, bring it back. You want to imagine you've got a cup of tea or whatever you fancy on your stomach. On veut imaginer qu'on a une tasse de café ou ce qu'on veut vraiment au niveau du ventre. Et on ne va pas la faire tomber. On inspire, on expire. On inspire, on expire. On ouvre les coudes sur le côté et on essaye de remonter légèrement. Usually what I see is this, we're losing that. I want you to make sure that you're keeping your ribs up. And that is important. Otherwise, you're not working to your potential. You want to make sure you're going to work hard. Good. And come back down. Excellent. Now, next, we are going to lift one leg up and then the other one. So when both of my knees are up, yes, my lower back can go down. It's open chin. Maintenant que mes deux pieds sont en haut, oui, je peux mettre le bas du dos au sol. Je vais monter et je vais étirer le bas du dos au sol. Je monte et j'étire. So I'm going to lift my bum and reach down. So I'm working on my deep abdominal muscle. And then from here, I'm going to come back up here. Then I'm going to extend both of my legs. Stay here. Bend the knees. Extend the legs. On va plier les genoux. Par contre, je ne perds pas ici. Je remonte. On étire les jambes. Et je redescends. On étire les jambes. Et je redescends. Now, if it's too much, you can lie down with your upper body down. It's up to you. Whatever is best for you. I told you it's going to be an advanced class. Là, si c'est trop difficile, on peut redescendre avec les épaules au sol. Et je vous ai dit, cette classe, elle va être un peu plus avancée. Now, stay here. We're going bicycle, bicycle. Imagine you are in the water and you're adding resistance. On va imaginer qu'on est dans l'eau et qu'on ajoute de la résistance. On étire, on étire, on étire. Donc, on peut fléchir les pieds. Et de l'autre côté, de l'autre côté. Other side, other side. On inspire, on expire. On ouvre les coudes sur le côté. We're really opening the elbows to the side as we're doing that. We're not going fast. We're taking our time. And bend the knees and relax. Okay. Hands back to your side, les mains sur le côté. On appuie au niveau des pieds et on va remonter for the bridge. Lift up. Et on redescend tout doucement. It's our way to release the back when we've been working on it. And lift. Et on redescend. Hands behind your head again, lift again. And we're going to come back up, lift your bum. Donc, on refait exactement la même chose. Je vais remonter les fessiers, je vais étirer les jambes. Maintenant, j'y vais avec une jambe étirée. So, extend, it's your scissors. Extend here. You're going to bring that legs towards you for two. We go 1, 2, swap. 1, 2, swap. Et 1, 2, on change. J'essaye de remonter au niveau des épaules également si je peux. I'm trying to lift up for my shoulders as well if I can. And reach, reach, swap. And reach, reach, swap. Et on y va. On étire derrière le genou. On étire, étire et on change. Really lengthening behind your knee. And lift, lift, swap. Lift, lift, et on revient. Maintenant, on revient ici. On va étirer une jambe et je vais aller légèrement sur le côté. Par contre, on fait attention, je ne fais pas ça, j'ouvre le coude. C'est plus mon épaule qui va aller vers le genou, pas le coude. So now I'm going to work on obliques, I'm going to the side, but it's not my elbow who's reaching to my knee, it's my shoulder. And come back. Swap side, shoulder to knee, and back. And shoulder to your knee, and back. And shoulder to your knee, and back. Come on, we can do it. I told you it's not going to be easy today. And we're going slowly as well, isn't it? But we want to see results, yeah? On inspire, on expire. On étire vraiment cette jambe. On étire. Et moi, j'essaye de monter mon épaule au niveau du genou. Then we're going to extend the leg. Yeah. And come back. And extend the leg. And back. Extend the leg. On étire la jambe cette fois-ci. C'est parti. Allez. Et on remonte. On étire la jambe et on revient. On étire la jambe, on revient. On étire la jambe et on revient. On revient complètement. We're just coming back here. Good. Extend the legs. On étire les jambes. On plie les genoux. On étire. On plie, on étire et on va redescendre. And we're going back down completely. Well done. Okay, coming back up. I'm sure you're feeling it in your abdominals now. Maintenant, je suis sûre que vous le sentez au niveau des abdos. Okay, the next one, you are going to reach your legs together, les deux jambes ensemble, et je vais aller devant. Donc, je vais ouvrir le bas du dos. I'm going to open, then come back. Lengthen your spine. And reach forward again. On va un petit peu en avant encore. Et on redescend. Je vais redescendre complètement. D'ici, je redescends complètement. Les mains derrière. I'm going to circle my arms. Come back up using my core. Coming here, flexing my feet, going over my knees if I can. And reach back, straight back. Roll up. And reach back down very slowly. Very slowly. I'm taking my time. I keep my legs down on the floor. Reach over. Inhale. As you're exhaling, use your core to come back up. Flex your feet. Go over your knees. Et je redescends tout doucement. Tout doucement. Je garde les pieds au sol. Tout doucement. Je vais ramener les mains derrière. Je vais faire un cercle. On inspire. Quand on expire, on utilise les abdos pour remonter. On fléchit les pieds et on ramène la tête au niveau des genoux. On remonte, on étire la colonne vertébrale et on redescend. On redescend tout doucement. Je garde les talons ensemble et je redescends complètement. On inspire. Quand on remonte, on expire, je fléchis les pieds et je ramène la tête au niveau de mes genoux. Your last one, come on, reach down, very slowly. Reaching over, circle. Use your breath as you come back up and reach here. And come back. Good. Open your legs. We go for your spine stretch. On ouvre les pieds, on va les fléchir et on va poser les mains au milieu. I'm going to reach down here, then coming back up, stacking one vertebra at a time. And then reach back down again. Et je redescends, je redescends. Maintenant, je remonte vertèbre par vertèbre au niveau de la colonne vertébrale. Et je redescends. Et je remonte. Stacking one vertebra on top of each other, lengthening your spine. Okay, one more time. And come back. Legs together now, les jambes ensemble. On va étirer les bras sur le côté, j'étire la colonne vertébrale et je vais aller sur le côté. And 1, 2, come back to center. We go to the other side. This is a twist. Come back to center. Make sure that your back is straight. Je garde le dos droit et je reviens. Je garde le dos bien droit. Et je reviens. And reach, reach. And I come back. And reach, reach. And I come back. Et encore. Et à chaque fois, on va améliorer la rotation. The rotation. And come back. Legs together, reach down a bit more if you can, and come back here. Lengthen your spine. Et c'est parti, on y va. Et on revient. Très bien, on étire la colonne vertébrale. Super. Et je vais ouvrir. I'm going to open the chest. On ouvre les pectoraux. Je vais aller sur le côté. And stretch. And I'm going to bring my hands back to the side and stretch it here. Bend the elbow and extend. On va plier le coude et on étire. On plie et on étire. Je fais la même chose de l'autre côté. J'étire pour l'instant. I'm doing the same on the other side. And come back. And then bend the elbow. And extend. And extend. On plie le coude et on étire. On plie et on étire. On plie et on étire. Très bien. OK, sideways now. On va se mettre sur le côté. On va mettre le pied qui est au-dessus devant. Une main sur le côté et je vais monter Et ce que je veux, c'est qu'on prenne le bassin vers le haut. Et je redescends. So I'm going to have my top leg, my top foot in front. I'm bending, I'm extending the leg on the floor. Pull your tummy as you're going to reach, lift, and try to really lift from your hips. Here, bend here, and extend, lift, and bend, and extend. On plie, on étire. On va ajouter un twist également. On va pousser les hanches vers le haut. I'm pushing my hips and I'm going over. And then come back here. Bend, extend, and twist. And back. And bend, extend, and twist. And back here. Good. Knee down on the floor, extend the leg. Hands back. And I'm going to come forward. Hands back here. You're going to lift that top leg. Flex your foot. Go forward. 1, 2. And reach back. 1, 2. Kneeling side kick. Back, back. Flex, flex. On garde le pied au niveau de la hanche. Et je pousse au niveau de la main. Et je redescends, et je remonte. Et 2, et 3, et 4, et 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Je ramène la main et je vais étirer derrière. Donc mes 2 mains sont au sol et je vais monter. Et 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 et 10 et je ramène le genou. Woo! OK. On y va pour the cat. Open and close. Open the chest and close. Let's go to the other side. Maintenant, on doit le faire de l'autre côté. Je sais, c'est plus difficile. Hein? On va mettre une main au sol. On se souvient que le pied qui est devant est celui qui est en haut. On est parti? Allez, on va monter. And we're going to reach over, so it's your hips. Hein. On pousse vraiment le bassin. On redescend. On remonte. On redescend. On remonte. On redescend. On remonte et maintenant je vais en dessous et je reviens. On étire, on descend, on remonte, twist and back here. Bend, extend, twist. C'est quand on monte les hanches au sol le twist. Le dernier. OK. Le genou au sol. J'étire le pied et je vais fléchir le pied. Je vais aller devant. 1, 2 et derrière. 1, 2. Et 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Maintenant, je reste là and I'm going up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Les 2 mains par terre. The 2 hands on the floor. I'm opening that hip and I'm going to go up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Les 2 genoux au sol. And now we're going to go for our cat. Okay, head in between our hands. And open here. Oh, that's nice. And reach again. And come back. And reach. Good. Now you're going to extend one leg away. we are going to bring it down on the floor and up, and 2. So when I'm going to bring it up, it's to my hip level. Je ne vais pas plus haut que la hanche quand je remonte. Je garde le bassin bien droit. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Step. Bend the knee. Keep the knee to the same level as your hip. Flex your foot. Reach up. On garde le genou au même niveau que la hanche et on monte. On monte. Donc en fait, il faut monter ici, il ne faut pas descendre. Okay? I'm not going down here. I'm staying up. Even if the movement is tiny weeny, but they're up. Même si le mouvement est tout petit, je veux quand même qu'on maintienne le pied en haut. Et on redescend. Okay. Oh, reaching away to release any tension in your back. Coming back here. Extend the leg. Keep the hips square. Lift and down. Lift and down. Come on, we can do that. Extend your leg. Extend the leg. On inspire, on expire. Je contracte les abdos. I'm contracting my abdominals. Extend that leg. Then bend that knee. Flex your foot. Reach up. C'est parti. Go high. Go high. Come on, we can do it. This is really good for your bum. Remember, we need it. We absolutely need it. Last one. Le dernier et on redescend. Woo! Okay, push away. Push away. Extend. And come back here. Tuck under the pelvis and reach back here. Tuck under the pelvis and back. This is my total favorite exercise if you do have back problem. C'est mon exercice préféré si vous avez des problèmes de dos, celui-ci. And come back here. Lengthening your spine. Okay, now here into your mermaid position. And reach over. And come back here. And reach over. And back here. And reach over. Maintenant, attention, est-ce qu'on est prête pour avoir une main par terre, one hand on the floor, lift and reach over and come back. Reach down to your mermaid. La main au sol. Reach, lift, lift. Beautiful stretch. Circle the arm. And back. I don't know if you can hear, but my knees are clicking so much right now. I'm healthy, I promise. I used to be a runner, that's a problem. And come back. So it makes lots of noise now. Open, open, open. Press your pelvis away. And reach. And come back. We go to the other side. Mermaid, position, la petite sirène. And reach over. Ooh. And back. And reach. And back. Et on y va. On étire, on étire, on étire, on étire. Et maintenant, on ramène la main. You bring it down. Lift, circle. And back. And reach. Lift. And circle. And reach. Circle, push your hips, come back, and reach over. Le dernier, on pousse la hanche, on revient. And come back. Coming back here. Allez, mon préféré. Hands together, open. I know I've got so many favorites. And lift. But this one is definitely my favorite because it really opened the pectoral muscle. And this is a problem I see with people. Their shoulder goes forward. They should not lift up more. It's just because in between your scapula, your rhomboids are very lazy. We need to work them. We need to wake them up. C'est mon exercice préféré, celui-ci, parce que les gens, en général, leur posture, ça va devant, alors qu'en fait, il faut travailler entre les omoplates, les rhomboids. On lève un peu plus, on étire. Oh, try to reach for the sky. And come back, on va de l'autre côté, on fait exactement la même chose. On étire, on étire, on étire. Et on revient. Allez, one more on each side. Un de plus de chaque côté. And other side. Et on revient. Relax your shoulders. And well done. Yes! It should be fireworks now. Boom, boom, boom. You did it. You did the 8 weeks waiting challenge. You should be so proud of yourself. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much. And I cannot wait to see you in other videos. Merci encore une fois les filles. Ça fait 8 semaines qu'on est ensemble. Ça fait 8 semaines qu'on transpire ensemble. Merci de m'avoir fait confiance. Et surtout, je vous vois dans les vidéos prochaines. Et dites-moi ce qui vous plaît et ce que vous voulez vraiment travailler. Tell me really what you want to be working on. And I can just do that for you. And I'll see you very soon. Bye.